It's broken. It's broken. So what is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka Moto Bro. And today, just look around me. Y'all are in for a treat today. So let's get into the video. Alright. We're about to hit a little gas station. I need gas ASAP. So this is the sketchy part. What's up? I got cash for Supermoto, bro. No! I'm proud on top of it. Hey, you good? Huh? You good?
No, my knee hurts. Oh, yeah, I had surgery 7 weeks ago on my ACL.
Damn! Yeah. If I give you 5? Sir, that's how you gotta do it. You gotta have the money ready and just give it to them and hope for the best. Alright, this is the sketchiest part. Look, people are still coming in, bro. Sheesh! Yo, it's hectic! I can't even get out! At least I got gas. Bro, people are still pulling in, dude. We got Bike Life Michi. Gang, gang. Hey, it's a thumbnail. Could you look at the camera? Let's go. Hey, much love. Everywhere you look, brother. Let's go. Much love. Let's go. Hey, we outside. Let's get it. Look, hey, we outside. You see right in front of me, bro. Yo, everywhere you look. No way. I can barely see what's going on anymore. Yo, these Harleys are tearing up right now. Look. Oh, great. It's busy.
We're working in the Crocs today.
Crazy. We'll be wearing Crocs, dude. So right now I'm just chilling here with Steezy Films. So we're literally watching everyone just go by, dude. Like it's never ending. It's never ending. Yo, look at the view. Downtown Miami, everyone up front, everyone behind. Yo, look at the cruise ships. Pull on that 2-stroke. Let's go. Boy, getting on that good old 2-stroke. Yo, look at all the riders still coming down, bro. Complete madness, dog. What happened?
He's doing donuts and fucking fell off. I think he broke his rib.
Right there? Just falling? Damn. I think Homie just hurt. Hey. It's broken. It's broken. I know, yeah. Bro, just look at everyone out here. So he was literally doing donuts. I missed it on this Banshee, and I guess he flipped, and yeah, now Jesus is my co-pilot. We're crushing pussy. Let's go. Bro, so you almost ran into me?
Yeah, what you was looking for your GoPro?
I was changing batteries. Hey, I looked back, I didn't see no one, and then I guess you did.
I don't know. No, your bike was drifting.
Ah, okay.
Right when you released the start fumbling, it just started going over. When I was doing the camera and because you were straight
Yeah.
first, and then next thing you know, when I look back, I'm like, oh!
Hey, bro, I'm glad we didn't hit each other, bro.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what's going on right now. Is there a cop or no?
Troopers right there.
Oh,
Everyone's panicking.
ah. We just got to this like halfway point. As you see, we got the state trooper right here, just chilling. And yeah, it's madness. Madness going down. Shade.
What's going on?
You're the one I seen at the gas station,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, it's your boy Motor, bro. We're on Broward on top. Let's get it. So, gang, here we have it. Currently, the beautiful YZ450. I need gas though, which is sort of a problem because, as you can see, we are nowhere near a gas station. So hopefully, I can get out of here, get some gas, and we'll be chilling. Woohoo! That two-stroke. Let's go! Ride 66 right here, brother. I think they blocked it off. Hey.
How's you been, brother?
Good, bro. You doing good?
Yeah.
Bro, let's go. Some gas station adventures. Dude, this thing is flipping. Yo, look at this thing. Oh my god, dude. Bro, that thing is beaut. That's the most easy, dog. Let's go. I just had two bikes chilling there. They're crazy, bro. I just seen two bikes at that gas station and no one even watching them. And in Miami, bro, I can tell you, you do not want to do that. This is the bike life capital for stealing. I swear, bro.